Izinkampani eziningi ezihlinzeka ngezinsiza ezibalekile azikakhokhelwa. Iningi lalezi inkampani ezibandakanye zonogada, kanti ezinye izisebenzi zithi zinethemba lokuthi uBrink angasayilungisa inkinga yemali yomasipala ukuze ziholelwe. Ezinye izakhamuzi zinethemba lokuthi kuzoba khona izinguquko. Izinselelo kwezemali eTshwane ziphinde zibe nomthelelo omkhulu ekusebenzeni kwamabhasi.
We hope and think that this election will then go a long way in terms of stabilizing the current challenges that we're facing as a municipality.
Njengoba izinselelo zokuletha kwezidingo zidlubhe eTshwane, inhlangano iSANCO iphawulile.
We hope that unlike his predecessor, services are not going to be focused only in the suburban areas but also in townships and in the informal settlements.
Owengamele zokubusa ngokubambisana eGauteng ufuna iMeya entsha yaseTshwane uCilliers Brink aveze ukuthi kwenzakalani ngenani lemali elingasetshenziswanga ngendlela phambilini.
There's a need for a municipality to ensure that people follow the law when they do certain things such as tenders and other issues that they deal with it, so that we don't have audit outcome on the processes or procedures that they followed.
Yize uBrink ebhekene nengqinamba yokubuyisa isithunzi seTshwane, usomlomo womkhandlu angasaphume maduze.